Welcome to today's Tech Insight. We're diving into the enduring value of Windows 7 Backup and Restore, now available in Windows 10 and 11. Let's discover how it continues to safeguard our digital lives. Even in the latest Windows versions, the simplicity and reliability of Windows 7 Backup and Restore remains unmatched. Perfect for both business and personal use, mastering this tool can truly be transformative. Imagine losing vital data to unexpected failures and accidents. The best defense? A solid backup strategy. Let's look at how you can set this up effectively. Start by pressing the Start button and typing Control Panel. Select it from the results. Here, locate Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Click on Set up Backup. Now, either connect an external drive or choose a network location for your backup files. This decision is crucial for a secure and reliable data copy. Decide if you want Windows to automatically select what to backup, or if you prefer to choose folders and files manually. Remember, it's vital to cover all your essentials. Once your choices are made, it's time to schedule your backups. Regular backups are your safeguard against data loss, turning potential disasters into minor hiccups. Hit Save Settings and run backup. The initial backup might take some time, but patience here is key. Afterward, Windows will manage future backups automatically, as per your schedule. But what if you need to restore files? That's simple too. Return to Backup and Restore, Windows 7, click Restore My Files, and just follow the prompts. Whether using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this tool offers a straightforward method to recover your digital files, effectively rolling back the clock if needed. Using Windows 7 Backup and Restore in the latest Windows systems combines modern efficiency with proven reliability. It's the best of both worlds. Protecting your digital life doesn't have to be complex. Harness the power of Windows 7 Backup and Restore. Keep your data secure and always ready for what's next. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Stay safe and stay backed up.